Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Chase monthly benefit with DoorDash. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have the Chase Sapphire Reserve and you want to make sure that you maximize its rewards. How do you actually go ahead and use it with DoorDash? So first things first, let's open up. And once you open up DoorDash, you want to go and click on Me, and then you want to click on Settings. And then we're going to click on Manage Dash Pass. So your page might look different from mine, but this is where you're going to connect your Dash Pass with your Chase Sapphire Reserve. So with Chase Sapphire Reserve, you get complimentary Dash Pass through December 31st, 2027. Now, once you've connected your Dash Pass with Chase Sapphire Reserve, the way to use your monthly benefits is two ways. You can use the $5 a month benefit with restaurants, and you can use the two $10 a month promos with groceries. And so with that, what we're going to do is that we're going to go ahead and click on Home, and we're just going to go ahead and order a simple pizza. So we're going to click on Domino's, and let's go ahead and add this pizza here. So choose a size, sounds good. Then click on View Cart, and then next we're going to click on Continue. And then on the checkout page, if you scroll down, you're going to see this tab that says Chase Monthly Benefit, $5 off, pay with eligible card. We're going to make sure that's toggled on. So as you can see, a discount of $5 has been applied. And so that's how you use your $5 a month promo plan with a restaurant. Now, when it comes to groceries, so if I go ahead and delete this pizza, let's go to groceries, and then click on Albertsons, and let's go ahead and add some cheese, actually add a lot of cheese, then click on View Cart, then click on Continue again. And then same thing on the checkout page, you're going to see a tab that says Chase Monthly Benefit, and we're going to go ahead and toggle that on. So once you toggle that on, you can see that $10 has been discounted from this grocery order. Now keep in mind that you get one $5 a month restaurant promo, and you get two $10 a month grocery promos. So it would make sense to order restaurants at least once a week from DoorDash, and groceries at least twice a month from DoorDash. Sorry, restaurants once a month from DoorDash. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually use your Chase monthly benefits, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.